Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about the latest trends and technologies that can help you grow your income. In today's video, we will be discussing how artificial intelligence, AI, can help you generate passive income with e-commerce. E-commerce has become a popular way for people to earn money from the comfort of their own homes. However, it can be time-consuming and challenging to manage your e-commerce business effectively. This is where AI comes in. Here are 5 ways AI can help you generate passive income with e-commerce. 1. Personalization. AI can analyze customer data to create personalized recommendations, increasing the chances of sale. 2. Inventory management. AI can predict demand for products and adjust inventory levels accordingly, reducing the risk of overstocking or running out of stock. 3. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer queries and complaints, improving customer satisfaction. 4. Pricing. AI can analyze market trends and competitors' prices to optimize your pricing strategy. 5. Fraud detection. AI can detect fraudulent transactions, protecting your business from financial loss. So those were the 5 ways AI can help you generate passive income with e-commerce. If you have any experience using AI in your e-commerce business, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.